Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check recently watched Reels videos on Instagram. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing to do is to open your Instagram application and log into your account. So we click on our application and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, we will need just to go to our profile so we can be able to go to our settings or anything concerning our profile or account. Basically, you will need just to click on the uh, the navigation bar icon on the corner, and then you will need just to go to the settings and privacy. And basically, you can find all the settings accounts here, and here you can see all the other categories of your account. So now we need just to go to your activity so we can be able to see all the activity of your profile. So after going to activity, here you will find interaction. So basically here you will find all the likes that you have done, comments, tags, stickers, and all the reviews that you've got on Instagram. And here you are going to find all the archived stories or posts, etc. And basically here you can see reels. But here it is concerning or talks about the reels that you have shared before in lots that you have seen. If you want to find the scene reels, you will need just to go here to interaction and go either to likes, and basically you can choose from reels here. So let's just go to reels and filter here, and here you can find all the reels that you have liked, and basically here you can do the same for the reels that you have commented. So let's just find here all the comments, etc. So basically, this is how you can review or view all the reels that you have seen, and that's it. So basically, it's easy to review all your reels. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.